Did you know that kale is not just a nutritious food for ducks, but also an excellent source of hydration? You see, kale is made up of a lot of water, which is great for keeping your ducks hydrated, especially during hot summer days. Instead of just relying on water sources, offering fresh kale can help ensure that they stay hydrated and healthy. In fact, ducks love munching on those leafy greens, and you will notice them enjoying every bite. However, remember to wash the kale before feeding it to them to remove any chemicals or pesticides. The best part is that ducks can eat kale in both raw and cooked forms, but raw is often their favorite, so feeding your ducks kale can be a delicious and hydrating treat that benefits their overall health.